Welcome to our classroom.
Oh wait, my nose feels funny?
Wow, that was loud.
Alhamdulillah, this is due to Allah. Alhamdulillah.
I heard a big sneeze. Did you say Alhamdulillah?
Yes, Mom. I thanked Allah immediately.
Then I must say to you, Yarhamukallah. Here.
Yarhamukallah? What does that mean, Mom?
It means, may Allah have mercy on you.
That is so sweet.
Allah's mercy is the best gift. But wait, you have to reply to me too.
Really? What should I say back?
You say, Yahkumullah wa yuslihu balakum.
Yadikumullah wa yuslihu balakum.
Perfect. It means may Allah guide you and improve your condition. See, one sneeze brings so many du'as for us.
I hope I sneeze again so we can make dua.
You are funny. But yes, it's a beautiful cycle of love. Means all folk, don't forget to say Alhamdulillah when you sneeze. Goodbye everyone. Assalamu alaikum.